The relaunch of NNPC go position the oil and gas industry for Ogbonge progress. Now, President Buhari na him talk this one. Nigeria National Petroleum Company, when people sabi as NNPC, don relaunch when it go provide energy for today, energy for tomorrow. The relaunch when shele for Abuja and come still chook body inside the Petroleum Industry Act, come put NNPC and the oil and gas industry for the path of development and progress.
NNPC Limited will operate as a commercial, independent and viable national oil company at par with its peers around the world to sustainably deliver value to its over 200 million shareholders and the global energy community while adhering to its fundamental corporate values of integrity, excellence, and sustainability. It will, of course, conduct itself under the best international business practices in transparency, governance, and commercial viability.
President Buhari will lead the creation of NNPC as Minister of Petroleum 44 years ago. Now him constantly signed the Petroleum Industry Act when go help put Ogbonge reform for oil and gas industry.
I therefore thank Almighty God for choosing me to consistently play an important role in shaping the destiny of our national oil company from the good to the great. NNPC Limited is mandated to ensure Nigeria's national energy security is guaranteed to support sustainable growth across other sectors of the economy.
Minister of State for Petroleum, Timi Silva, and Group CEO of NNPC, Mele Kolokiare, talk say this relaunch don't mark the new beginning for inside oil and gas industry.
I know that expectations are high with this unveiling of NNPC Limited. I have no doubt that the clear path for the survival and growth of our petroleum industry is now before us.
This indeed is a new day, a new hope, and a new opportunity to upscale our relevance in the global energy community as Africa's largest energy company. We have taken a strategic initiative to achieve our mandate of ensuring energy security for our country by rolling out a comprehensive expansion plan to grow our fuel retail presence from 547 to over 1,500 outlets within the next 6 months.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News.